This is about a 13-minute film that captivated the Korean movie market. Night Fishing, the film made by Hyundai Motor Company. Did you know that a car has more cameras than you think? So we thought, what if we filmed a movie with Hyundai Ioniq's 7 car cameras? The limitation of the fixed camera became a strength, offering a new perspective and adding dramatic tension. Rather than using a massive media budget, Night Fishing was officially screened in theaters. Price? Just $1, matching the runtime of 13 minutes. In an era where consumers avoid ads at all costs, they rush to theaters to pay for the well-made content of Night Fishing. Naturally, Night Fishing's success led to interest in Ioniq. It is the first case where content fandom ignited brand fandom, driving the highest rise in brand preference since Ioniq's debut.